Hello everybody and welcome to your official Loog guitar lessons. I'm so glad you joined me. My name's Emily Zimmer. I'm going to be your teacher. Let's rock. It's time to learn your G minor chord. So you're going to take your first finger and you're going to lay it down on all three of your strings at that third fret position, just like this. Now when you press down on multiple strings at the same fret with the same finger, we actually call that barring. So this is a bar chord, which is a term that you might hear throughout your guitar playing experience. And bars can be a little challenging at first. So you want to make sure that your finger is nice and flat. So you get to straighten out your fret finger for this one. And then you want to make sure that you're just pinching those fretted strings between the thumbprint part of your thumb and your flattened finger like that. So don't try to grab the guitar like this or like this. That's not actually going to help you make that shape. As you get stronger and stronger from practicing, this grip, this pinching grip, is going to be the strongest. So give it some time, give it some practice, and I will see you in another lesson. Remember to subscribe to the Loog Guitars channel and press the bell icon so you can get notified every time we have a new lesson up. Until next time.